Everybody, this is Manda Arpita, and today in this video we'll be seeing how yacc will be implemented in our program. And for that, in yacc I had to do this kind of operation. I'll be giving 2 plus 3 as the input, and then the output should be 5. So any kind of operation, arithmetic operation, should be performed using my LALR parser generator. So first I'll be going to the program. So to execute this, I give yacc 9.y. If there are no errors, it will come to the next prompt line. And after that, I will have to execute this program by giving this particular thing. So here I have this file name program.y, and after that I compile the program as yacc space program.y. As you've seen, I have already done that, yacc space program.y. That is my second step. And my third step is compile the, then when you do this, there is a C file generated, that is y.tab.c. So I say gcc space, as you can see, what's inside my file. One among the file is y.tab.c, but that is because I've already executed it once before. So I'm going to say y.tab.c, and then now, so we come here and now we would like to get the output of this particular file. So I say dot slash a dot out, and here it is requiring me to give some output. So I give 23 plus 96. So as you can see, the output is over here 119. I come out of this prompt, I again give the output. So as of now, let me clear the prompt and I'll give it again. So I give 23 into 9, so minus 9, it is giving me, it is 14. I terminate this again, I give 5 into 8, 5 8 is 40. And finally for division, I'll be having 8 divided by 2, that is giving me 4. So this is how division is performed. Now to look at how this has been implemented in the program, I'm going to say vi space, as it is ninth experiment, the file name is 9.y and the extension is y. So here I first include the statements which are to be included in the first token, and after that I have a token which is num, which is separate, and here I'll have percentage including the end of the include statements, and here I have the second percentage which will be including the start of my main program. And here I have line expr term which has been defined, and based on this the calculations are performed. So for expression has the plus term, then the dollar the value will be equal to the first value, and the third value will be summed up and will be stored in the second value. So everything will be done like this, and there is an inc, and this inc will actually read the values from the screen, and if there is digit which you have got from the value c, then if it is equal to 0, then you return the number, and if it is not, you return the value c. And here is my main function in which you call the y pass and return, and if there is an error, you return 1. So that is why int y error function will return 1. So this is all for the experiment of yacc, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.